Hello, my ladies. Hello, hello, hello. I missed you all. Yes, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Welcome, welcome here. Welcome back for my old subscribers to my channel. So wonderful. And this is wonderful. I'm so glad to be back. I've missed you all. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your constant checking in on me and all of that. I truly, truly appreciate, and I cannot wait to be part of your success story in your sewing business this year. All right, today's topic is a topic that is close to my heart. It's a topic that I'll be sharing from my personal experience and that of my, or rather, and those of my past students. Okay, so you want to take a note and note them down, and more importantly, begin to implement. Okay, this year is for what? Implementing. No more procrastination. So let's get into it. Sis, you're not making good money from your new sewing business because you're ignoring some of these. I'll be sharing with you 3 points today. Okay. The first is your USP, as they call it, your unique selling point. Do not underestimate the importance of branding. I know many of you have heard that word again and again, and you're like, but let me break it down. Let's break it down. Let's break it down. Okay. What do you want to be known for? What do you want your sewing brand or your sewing business to be known for? There are many sewing brands there or fashion brands out there that are known for making a particular kind of outfit, or they have a theme. Some they make only black and white outfits, some they make only pants, some they make only skirts, okay, some they make only wedding dresses. What do you want to be known for? Now, pick something. You can pick an outfit, especially if you're a beginner. Pick an outfit that you want to be known for. Start with that. No one is saying that you cannot add to it later. You surely can add to it. But start with something that if people are looking for, oh, I wonder where I can get crop tops for, your name will pop up. Oh, there's this person. Have you checked her out? She makes lovely crop tops. Start with something. Just make sure that whatever it is you choose is something that people already love. People like it's been tested and proven. You can see it from comments, you can see it online, and all of that. So start with something that people want and become known for it, become so good at making it, and then you can now begin to add many other different things to it. Okay? For example, myself, I tell myself and I say it everywhere I go that I love to teach women how to sew chic, casual outfits. I don't do more than myself. You will not come on my channel and see me teaching you how to make a wedding gown, at least not yet. Okay? Chic, casual outfits, that is my terrain. I've chosen it and that's where I'm sticking on for now. So if you're saying, oh, who can I learn from? Most likely the name one that, oh, she makes some really lovely casual outfits that even beginners can begin sewing and selling and making money in their businesses. Become known for one thing. So make sure today you create what your USP is, okay? Your branding, what you want to be known for. The second one is your pricing. Now, sis, please do not undervalue your skills, okay? You want to make sure that your pricing is right. And for your pricing to be right, the first thing you need to do is determine who your target audience will be. Yes, 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 yes. Okay? Who do you want to sew for? Do you want to make for students? Do you want to make for women? Even women, what kind of women? High income earners, low income earners. Both target audiences are good. There's a huge market for both of them. But you want to be very, very specific about your target audience because that will influence your pricing. You cannot have a price of $10 and expect high income earners to come there. Okay? I'll talk about that in the third point. But your pricing, your target audience will determine your pricing. So make sure you get your pricing done correctly because if your pricing is done correctly, when you post, the people you are posting for will come to you. There are some outfits that when I see, online on Instagram and all of that, when I see the pricing, I just this is not for my pay grade, or this is above my pay grade for now. So they know their target audience. There are some I see and I'm like, wait a second, okay, I think I can actually afford this. And there are some I see and I'm like, are they making any profit? How can something be this cheap? Now, it may look too cheap for me, but for some people, that's perfect for them. So make sure that you get your target audience right so that you can get your pricing right for that target audience. Now, the third one is quality of fabric. Now, for this, I would say your target audience, once again, determines the quality of fabric that you use. Let me give you an example, okay, of something I recently experienced. I traveled some months ago for my sister's wedding, and while in the country, my home country, a friend of mine was telling me, oh, there's this brand on Instagram. They sell really lovely casual outfits. ready to wear. Literally, you buy today, they deliver today. I was like, oh, okay. And she was like, they're so affordable. I said, really? She said, yes. So I went online, she sent me their page. And when I checked and I saw the price, for me, it was too cheap. Now, too cheap can just be affordable for someone else, but at the point where it was too cheap, it was less than $10, and I was just thinking, how are they making profit? And they kept posting, oh, available in any size and all, and I said, of course, they're loose fitting outfits. So I said, okay. So I placed, an order for a couple of them. And my dear ladies, when the outfits, when they delivered, I did not try them until I had, traveled, left the country and came back to, where I live, Abidjan. And by the time I opened one to try, oh, they say when something is too good to be true, it's actually too good to be true. You know how you have those labels in some outfits that you buy. They tell you 100% cotton, 50% nylon or whatever. They break it down. This outfit had zero cotton, 0% cotton in it. Oh my god. And cotton, cotton fabrics or cotton outfits are breathable. Like when you sweat, they absorb it. It was just a mess for me. I wore it for an outdoor event. If I was sweating, I died and woke up that day. Okay. And I just told myself, well, for that amount, I should have known better. What was I expecting? So your target audience determines the quality of fabric you use. Now, for some other people, when they buy that, they can't even complain because they're just happy that they're wearing something that looks really beautiful, but only them know the discomfort within them because there's no cotton in that outfit. There's no cotton element in that outfit. So make sure that the quality of fabric you use aligns with your target audience. If I see There are some people that sell fabric, when I see them and I see sometimes they say, oh, this fabric, we have them in just little quantity, it's going for, let's say, maybe $30 per yard. I know that that's a quality outfit. It could be sometimes African print, but maybe in silk, really, really lovely, soft and all. Now, when you buy, fabric for that amount, definitely when you're sewing it and you're done with it and you're selling it, the amount is not going to be, as cheap as some others. But someone whose target audience is high income earners would look at it and say, this is exactly what I want. I want something that when I wear it, I'm comfortable, air is entering me and leaving me. Do you understand? So both target audiences are perfect, but make sure that your quality of fabric aligns with your target audience. If you are targeting high income earners and you use very poor fabric, okay, poor quality fabric, be rest assured that you will have no returning customers, and they will make sure that they tell every of their circle of friends and influence never to buy from you, never to buy from that brand. It's the same way when you are so impressed with a brand, you tell everyone about you about that brand. That's the same way with poor customer service or poor quality fabrics that a sewing business uses. So please focus on that. Make sure that your target audience, quality of fabric, they align. If you're making for students, like I said, I have nothing against students, please. But we know that they don't have as much disposable income as high income earners. Definitely, your quality of fabrics will be different. There are some fabrics I buy when I want to try out new designs, new styles. Okay, they are not the best of quality. All right, the sellers will tell you when you wash it, it will not fade. True, okay, but it's not proper 100% cotton, but it works. Now there are many people that use those kind of fabrics and they make for low income earners. It works. If I told you, oh, this fabric, this is how much I got it, you'd believe because it looks really good. If I told you, oh, this is a low end kind of fabric, less quality, would you know? It's beautifully sewn. So if I'm making this and I decide my target audience are low income earners, it would work. No one would complain because it's lovely. It's cotton, maybe not 100%, but it will not fade, but it's not, high up there in terms of quality. If I want to make for high income earners, I would go for the better quality fabric because I know that if I sew this and I give to them, I may have made some profit for the first sale, but they will not return because when they wear it, they're like, no, no, I don't do this. Okay, so make sure that both of them align, the quality of fabric and your target audience. So as a recap, the first one, what did I say? Your USP, your unique selling point. Become known for one thing. Pick one particular outfit or theme and run with it. There is a brand that used to sew just black and white. Now they've added some colors. Tongoro Studio, I think. Okay, theirs is in black. Even their page, black and white. That's all you see. Once in a while, they put some, colored images there and all of that. Become known for something, and then start adding different things later. She started with solely black and white, and now she's begun to introduce colors here and there. The second one I said is your pricing. Good. Okay, make sure that your pricing is correctly done for your target audience. Even if it's for low income earners, do not undervalue your sewing skills. Make sure that your pricing is done well, that you'll be able to have something good at the end of the day when you're done sewing and selling to your target audience. And the third one I said is your quality of fabric. Make sure that it aligns with your target audience. Now let me know in the comment section which one you already do, which one you're going to do. And if you have more tips, please feel free share with us in the comment section. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. I have so many more videos coming in, tutorials and tips and all of that. Okay, and if you know you don't want to miss out, subscribe, join the sewing community. Also let me know what you would like to see me talk about more. If you have questions as a beginner starting your business, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll do more videos on that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.